Hello, 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 my YouTube family. How are y'all doing today? This is your boy Nick, HOUTX Trader, coming from Houston, Texas. Hey, check this out, guys. First of all, I want to thank My Flash Funding for giving us the opportunity, sponsoring this video, and allowing us to give away some free funded accounts. Tomorrow, Tuesday, April the 9th, in the morning live trading session, I will be giving away a free funded 10K account. So stay tuned to that. Also, guys, we're going to look today at US 30, NASDAQ, and gold. We're going to cover the Forex pairs. And yeah, I'm going to show you the dot card, the links, how to get into a good Discord, how to get into a good Telegram. And all this information is coming to you for absolutely free. I do not sell signals. I do not have a paid course, none of that stuff. So just do me a favor and smash that subscribe button, hit that thumbs up, and we will be doing good. What else do I gotta say? Oh, this is just training. This is not financial advice. So please, if you need financial advice, go see a planner. Okay, let's get this started, guys. Let me share my screen really quick. Okay, this, guys, is the dot card. You'll see a link to the dot card in the description of this video. When you go to my dot card, you'll see my YouTubes, where you're at now, Twitter's, the Gram, my Flash Funding. So if you guys want a funded account, this is right now the best company going on, called My Flash Funding. Guys, click this link and then sign up for account. Right now, I believe they're giving like 25% off challenges. There is no time frame. You don't have to close out your trade every single day. There is no minimum time frame, like you only have 30 days to pass a challenge. They don't have that. They have a one step and a two step, and they have anything from like 10,000 up to 100,000. I think they even have like a $200,000 funded account. So right now, as far as the rules are concerned, they're the best. As far as how much it costs, they're the best, and they're American, and I'll show you what their Discord looks like in just 1 second. But that's the referral link. The Pip Connect is Andy Peters. This is the Discord that I've been into the longest. So shout out to those guys at the Pip. BASC, if you buy a Bored Ape Solana Club, you get access to their Discord. I'll show you that. This is Market Bandits. These guys are absolutely savages. This is a free Discord, guys. Free Discord. So if you are a new trader, you're a new trader, check this link right here and watch that video. Also, here's a good free Discord, and Badass Trade Talk is my boy Stefano. He's been a great mentor to me. Love that guy. And there is the link to his free Telegram. Okay. So there that is. While we're in here, let's just go ahead and take a peek at news. As we said earlier in the week, we didn't have much today. We don't have much tomorrow, so we're not going to have a whole lot tomorrow during the live session. But Wednesday is the juggernaut with the CPI, FOMC minutes, and all the good stuff on Wednesday. So look to see consolidation tomorrow, maybe a small continuation of the current move. And then on Wednesday, we're either going to get a reversal or we're going to get a good push. Okay. So that is news. Let's get into, let's look at Discord first. My Flash Funding, here is their Discord. You can see there's a lots of stuff going on here. You have the trading chat, general chat, and then let's see, I was going to show you discounts. So when you click on the discounts, it lets you know what their current promotion is. Right now, it's 25% off. When you do pass a challenge and you get your first payout, they give you 110% of your first excuse me, of your buy-in. So if you paid $100, they're going to give you $110 in addition to your payout, right? And that goes on until April 9th, so to tomorrow. So 25% off. That's theirs. This is the Market Bandits, which is the free Discord I showed you guys earlier. These guys are very active in here, showing all sorts of good stuff. All right, trading, profits, the whole 9 yards. This is the Bored Ape Solana Club Discord. Click on this, and if you buy a Bored Ape, you get access to this. These guys are crazy with the amount of information on crypto. If you're a crypto person, man, get in here. If you're a NFT person, you got to get in, because this Bored Ape Solana Club has associations and affiliates and all these other NFT gurus. And this is how you get on the whitelist to get the best NFTs before the public is able to buy them. So jump on the Bored Ape Solana Club NFT. You can buy them from the Magic Eden Solana blockchain, and then you have access to this. And again, Andy Peters Discord, but this is a paid Discord there, guys. Okay, now we've gotten through all that. Let's get into the charts. So I should say, in a buy down here. I've already protected my entry on the dirtiest of 30, and today's a straight consolidation, which we're expecting. Tomorrow, we're expecting consolidation. So hopefully, come Wednesday, this just goes to the moon. Okay. Now, is that going to happen? Probably not. What it's probably going to do is come down here and retest and then hopefully go to the moon. I've already protected. Now, perhaps, see, this is kind of one of those weird things. Like, I don't want to move my protection. I want to leave it there. Um, but this could be one of those situations where it comes down and if it does knock me out, I'll look at the RSI and I'll look and see how things look, and maybe I re-enter it and I take it again. Like, so as for now, I just protected in case I was gone today and something crazy happens and it just wants to shoot down, right? So I'm protected, but there is the trade. Again, if you want to know how to do Fibonacci's, all right, and this is the Fibonacci trade here, watch this video right here and I'll put the Fibonacci video link there. But basically, guys, what we're doing is we're looking at order blocks. Okay. This is the last order block right here that led to this gigantic buy. Okay. So the market has Elliott waved 1, 2, 3, backed out into a correction into that order block. So that's the order block, but really these are the swing, right? The swing markers. So I'm going to go off of this swing marker to set my fib, and I'm going to bring the fib up to the very highest point up here. So that's how I got this area. That's how I got my buy zone. All right. Just clears. So that's how I got that stuff. And that's how I built that fib. All right. And so as you guys know, we enter on the 88.6 when it comes to NASDAQ and the dirtiest of 30, 88.6. There's our entrance. So for confluences, we had oversold, we had order block, we had fib, we had Elliott wave completion. And also if you fib this Elliott wave from here to there, it hit the TP, the 61.8 right there, right? So yeah, there's profit on that. So we're in longs, and hopefully that mug will run. All right, nasty Nasdaq looks better in the 4 hour, just because of all that consolidation. But guys, if you look at this, I know some people out there who think they're addicts on the charts. They like to say, "Oh, let's just draw a zone here and a zone here, and you just buy here and you sell here and all this other crap," right? It's because they're not very good traders. They really don't know what the hell is going on. So don't listen to that. But I did want to show you that there is liquidity here. We pushed off. Okay, we had our Elliott wave retracement. Okay. And then now here's our 78, 88.6 that I keep telling you guys. This is a retest of the 88.6. All right. This also is filling in these wicks right here. But at the same time, we like to trade liquidity once liquidity has been taken out. And if you see this low, which matches up with this low, that, gentleman, is liquidity. That's where the market had inserted money, right? Let's zoom in a little bit. That's where the market had inserted money here, right, to buy up, and then retested that area and bought up. So this is our double bottom right there that we consider liquidity. All right. And that's why we bought. We want to wait for that liquidity to be taken. All right. So let me just delete some of this stuff here. So our strategy is, my strategy is, find areas of liquidity right here. Okay. Which direction is the market going? The market is going up. Okay. So we want to buy. All right. So we mark off the low, we mark off the tie, we draw a Fibonacci, we mark off our buy zone, 78, 88.6. Once liquidity has been taken and broken, the market now has a reason to turn around and go up. Okay. And so that's exactly what we're looking to do. All right. Liquidity's been taken, it gets into our buy zone. All right. It shows us reversal. We have the RSI oversold. Let's take this to the top. And so that's exactly what I did. I jumped in that trade, and I want to make sure that I'm targeting a good TP, right? We always want risk reward. So our TP1 for this situation is going to be the 2-3. Actually, I'll take that back. I'm going to call TP1 up here at this liquidity zone. I'm going to play it safe and take, let's say, half my percentage at the top of this. Okay. So my TP1 is going to be well, now it's like 100% risk reward. No, but originally that would be a 3-1, damn near 3-1. I've broken even on this trade. So for now, it's just straight profit. So I'm looking to book roughly 507 pips. Let's call it 500 pips. Um, yeah, on TP1. Really, I want this to hit way up here. So I want 1,000 pips out of the rest of it. So once it hits TP1, I'll close half and then I'm going to leave the other half running and then I'll probably just do a trailing stop loss at that point. Okay. I really, really, really want to catch some pips out of this trade. And right now I am, let's see, we're only 200 pips up. We were at 1.300 pips up. We want to catch a bigger move than that. But that's the reason why we caught this trade. That's the reason why I entered, and I'm already protected. All right. This could shoot down, in which case, if it does shoot down and give me a double bottom right here, I'll look at the RSI and determine if I need to re-enter or not. I don't know yet. Goldie, I don't think Goldie gave us anything today. I know we were waiting for a retracement. Yeah, so again, consolidation because there's no news, but we did have a push up to it has not broken structure, guys. So I mean, really, we don't want to sell because none of this structure has been broken. Even if this breaks, this is internal structure. I don't care if it breaks here. We really need to look at the swing markers, okay, the swing points, which is these areas down here. If this area here breaks, then perhaps we can start selling. All right, but that area hasn't broke. So we're still all bulls. All right. So what we want to do is we want to see, like you see the red arrow now, break down. Okay. This is the liquidity. Perhaps this will come down, give us a low, push back up, just like I said right here, right? And then by doing so, bounce around here, giving us liquidity to the bottom side. Okay. Then we want that liquidity to break. We want to hit the 78.6 and then we want to buy it up. All right. So that's our plan for Goldie. It hasn't broke yet. It hasn't taken liquidity. It hasn't gotten our 786. Gold, write this down, loves 78.6. Okay. So that's what we're waiting for on Goldie. And let's just review the pairs real quick. Let's see. Da-da-da. Let's go to the green list. I'm guessing the DXY didn't do anything. I'm correct. Just consolidated wrong. So we're hoping the EU would retrace, and it has not. So we don't have a trade yet on that. GJ is double topping. So honestly, there's a trade right there. I mean, if you just plainly look at the double top, you can trade. We can trade double tops. All right. We can trade double tops. There's nothing wrong with that. Let's zoom out just a hair and let's see what the hell's really going on. We have liquidity below. It popped off. It took, let's just sell, dude. And it's the 236 right here. We could sell this right now. Let me get rid of that. We could sell this right now. Okay. We could sell now. And our target would be the 78.6. And we could just put our stop loss right here. It doesn't have to be crazy, right? Because really, this should hold. Look at the 4 hour RSI is getting lower, even though the price is the same. What's it look like on the 1 hour? Are we going to get some sort of divergent? Look, the tops. Let me delete this. I'm going to sell GJ right now, actually. Tops are the same height, equal highs, but the strength is getting weaker and it is overbought. Let's go to the 15-minute. Okay. Look at the 15-minute. See how it's doing one of these arcs? Okay. Yeah. Okay. I'm going to sell GJ. As soon as this video is over, I'm going to sell GJ. And I'm just going to give it maybe like, I don't know, 50 pips or something. Not a whole lot. Whatever that is. Just make up your own determination. Okay. I would risk, you could risk a 1% on that, maybe risk a 0.5%. Because we are counter trading and we are in a bullish market, so we don't want to go crazy. But if we could just risk a 0.5%, and this is like an 8-to-1 trade, so I mean we could hit 4% off a 0.5% risk. I'm cool with that, right? Hells yeah. We know that there's liquidity, so let's look at the reasons why we want to sell. A, we have liquidity on bottom. B, we had liquidity on top, and it got broken. We have a Fibonacci zone of the 236, but really, let's see what this Fibo looks like. All right. The 61.8, which is the magical fib number. Look, the six. Okay, so this is just like lining up, guys. Let me move. Okay, that's that fib. That's that fib. Where is the let me just delete all these and let's start over. Okay, there it is. So this is rejecting the 236. So let's just put a line right here. 236, right? That's our 236 line. Let me clean this up. Guys, this is how you're seeing how I do this real time. All right. We don't want that. Let's delete all the shit. Okay. So at the 236 is right there. Okay. When we draw the fib then on the reverse side, on the flip side, top to bottom, what do we get? We get the magical 618 number. So now, guys, we have two fibs lining up. Okay. We have liquidity taken. We have a reason for the market to go down, which is liquidity on the bottom. That's already four different confirmations. We have an order block down here. We want it to retest. There's five. We have overbought. There's six. We have divergent on the smaller time frames. We've got like seven different confirmations on why this should come down. And then also look, guys, if we get real saucy, is this not an Elliott wave? One. I guess you could call that a two. I mean, two and a half, three-ish kind of a way. I do like to fibbo the second leg of that Elliott wave and find where the TP is, and holy shit, there it is, 6.18 extension. Guys, I think we have 8 different confirmations if I'm counting correct. 9 because the Elliott wave completed. So, dude, that's a sell. I'm selling GJ. We'll see how it goes. I'll post this in all of the Discords and the tellies that I'm in. Okay. There's a trade right there, GJ's. GU. So if GJ is going down, perhaps GU will go down. But let's just come back out to the higher time frame to see what's really going on here. And it's in no man's land. All right. I'm not going to trade this. It's in no man's land. Really, let's look at the daily. I want to start trading these pairs on the daily because once you come back out to the daily, just look how that we're in consolidation. Now it's like very clear and obvious. There's no trade to be had. We're just in the middle of BFE, right? But if you look at the 1 hour, you're like, oh, well, look at this push off and this da da da. Just take a look at the daily and see what the real big picture is. Always start, guys, on the higher time frame so you can see. All right, do we really want to be taking trades in this area of a fuckery? This is where money gets lost. No, let's stick to the tops and to the bottoms. Let's stick to the outsides and catch these moves up here. So perhaps what we're going to do then is wait for this to break out of this zone, and give us a double top up here. We could take a trade up here to go south. Or if we miss it and it just melts, wait for it to melt, and then we'll take a trade up. All right. We're not going to get over anxious on that one. JPX, I don't look at that. UCAD. So UCAD's still in the fuckery zone. It's sitting right at liquidity. That's why I don't want to sell now. I'll be honest. I think, however many days, whatever this was, I sold here and I did get some pips, but then it came back. And then now it's like now we have one, now we have two, now we have all this. I don't want to sell anymore. I gave it a shot right there and it didn't hit a banger. I did take some profit and I just said, you know what? I'm out now. Let's wait for the best setup. And the best setup's up here. We don't want to enter here at liquidity. Guys, write that down. You don't enter at liquidity. You enter once liquidity has been broken. There's liquidity on the chart. Do not enter yet. Wait for that to get broken and then sell it. The market needs liquidity to go in the opposite direction. So wait for it to be taken. Wait for all these people who have been selling, wait for their stop losses to get hit. And then we go. And then we go, guys. You, Chef, we're in a trade. I got in. We're on a daily. I got in yesterday. So I got in here and it hasn't done jack squat all day today. And it is what it is. So I think I'm at break even. And same thing for UJ. I got into a trade and guess what? Sideways. Done exactly nothing, but I'm still in the trade. Unfortunately, I think I'm paying the fees for holding the trades for several days, but it's not much. It is what it is. Okay, guys, there's everything I have. I am just going to peek at the crypto just because I'm curious. Not that I'm actively trading it. I'm just looking at what Bitcoin wants to do. All good to go there. Ethereum down and up. Let's look at the daily. I like looking at cryptos on the daily. All right. So we did have a touch and then a double, and now it's pushing back off. So that's good to go. Solana, which is where the majority of my money is, my NFTs are. I'm super happy about $180, considering I was buying it down here at 20. And the same thing for Cardano. I put another $500 in Cardano just the other day because I was switching money around in my online broker accounts. But if you look at Cardano sideways and then it broke out, retest, and kept going. So I'm bullish on Cardano. And the same thing on DOT. I threw another 500 in DOT right there. And same deal with DOT. Sideways, tapped, come up, and now it broke. Okay, now check this out, guys. You see how this is the area, right? It comes down, rejects, breaks over top, retest. And what I want to see is a go. Okay. Look at this, right? Is it not hopefully the same thing? Comes down, up, retest, go. Now it's just giving us a little pullback, but what we're hoping is one of those, right? Look at Solana. This this didn't give us the retest. It did not do that. It just went. Okay. So hopefully, there's other smaller tokens, the Cardano and the Polkadot will do the same. Now I like Cardano because of the dividends and whatnot that it pays off. And I like Polkadot for the level 0. So these are the ones that I'm in. I have Solana because I'm a Solana person and I have NFTs. I have several NFTs and whatnot. Anyways, I think we've covered it about everything. Again, guys, tomorrow morning, live trading, Tuesday, April the 9th, I am going to be giving away a free $10,000 funded challenge with my Flash funding. I do need to get with the CEO and actually figure out how that works. But if you look on here on their Discord, the CEO, his name is Blake. You see him up here in the top right, Blake CEO. He is active in the Discords. He's active in the chats. And if you see on here, Blake, I've been chatting with him and whatnot. So he's on there. Um, so yeah, I'll get with him on that and see what's up, and we'll give some stuff away. Again, guys, do me a favor. If you see anything in here you like, smash that subscribe, hit that thumb, help me out, as this is all pro bono. I'm not doing selling anything. If I get enough people on here, YouTube will end up kicking me down. So I definitely appreciate you guys. Make sure you stick to your routines. Make sure you hydrate. Make sure you journal, all that good stuff. If you have any questions, please hit me up in the chats, and I'll make a special video or just answer your questions straight up if you have something. So you guys have a good night. We'll see you mañana.